Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's a bit wet outside today, so I'm not riding, so I thought, why not give you a bike check on my Nukeproof Mega. So starting with the frame, we've got the Nukeproof Mega carbon 297, so that means it's a mullet, and yeah, size large. Haven't had any problems with it yet. It's been absolutely flawless so far, and I'm absolutely loving the colour of it. Those lovely silver decor on there, purple, and I've got my name on it as well, which is pretty sick. Yes, that's the frame. Shock, we've got the Fast Phoenix Evo coil. It's got loads of adjustment on it. It's got mid-speed compression, low-speed compression. We've got climb mode there. Yeah, that's a really good shock. I love that as well. Forks, we've got the RockShox Zeb Ultimate charger free, with the buttercups and the decompression valves in 180mm travel. And yeah, they're really nice. Like, they feel so plush on all the bumps and just soak up absolutely everything. Yeah, so they're really good. So the wheels, we're running the Hope Fortis 30 29-inch wheel on the front and the Hope Fortis 30 27.5 on the back. Got the lovely silver Pro 4 hubs front and rear. And then tyres, gone from Maxxis tyres, a Segai on the front 29 2.5, got the Max grip, and on the back I've got the Minion DHR2 27.5 by 2.4 double down casing, so super tough. Oh, and I got a cush core in here as well, which just like means I can run lower pressures and it can just take bigger impacts really. Come down to the drivetrain now, and I've got the full SRAM GX drivetrain, GX derailleur, GX cassette, 12-speed cassette, SRAM chain, 32 tooth chain ring, 170mm GX Eagle cranks. Got the Bergtech pedals, the MK5 pedals, which I absolutely love, and I've run those on all my bike. And then we go up to the cockpit. I've got the P&W loam grips in the lovely slate grey colour there. Now I've got the Bergtech carbon bar. It's really stiff as well, which is nice. 35mm diameter, and I'm running these bars at 760mm wide, which is just my preferred width. SRAM code R brakes, which are like, they're just like the best brakes you're going to get really. Bergtech stem in 42.5 length. I've got the 1UP EDC, which is a little multi-tool, which is really handy for the trails. P&W lever, I've got the P&W dropper in 170mm drop, which is good. Sam Hill Nukeproof Horizon saddle. I've got the oil slit rails on there, which I like. Yeah, so that's pretty much my Nukeproof Mega. Yeah, it was only a short video today, but if there's anything else that you think I might have forgot or you'd like to know, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.